Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the ice maker screw in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the fridge we're going to be using for our demonstration here. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our freezer door here. And now what we have to do is take the ice maker front cover off here. And all we have to do is just grab it on one side and pull it straight off. And as you can see here, it looks like there's supposed to be 3 screws, however one is missing. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now we can put the screw into place and screw it in with our Phillips head screwdriver. And once you got it in there screwed nice and tight, you can grab the front cover again and then just push that on until it snaps into place. And then you can close your freezer door and your repair is complete. So I accidentally swallowed some food coloring the other day. I went to the doctor, they said I'm fine, but I feel like I'm dying a little inside. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.